sugod. Mag-thank you kay Laura and Lloyd, yes, and kay Ma'am Lucy Garano sa opportunity sa pag-invite sa mga dali. So anyways, natasan ko motivational speech mga batanon sa katiil. So ang title ng speech na ko is, What's Your Excuse? So before ko magsugod ng tutorial basketball, before ko magsugod ng tulag basketball, i-share na ako gamay background sa akong family. So akong papa, nag-nagdoktoran, Davao de Oro, 30 sila mag-school, ika-11 siya. Ang akong lolo sa doktoran, farmer. Ang akong lola ay housewife or housekeeper. Pero, anan mga anak niya, halos kanan, i-graduate, naging successful sa kinabuhi. So, anong ginashare na ko ni sa tuwa tanan? It's because it reminds me of someone very special to me. My player, our MVP, Rene Batalbonia. So, as many of you know, Rene came from Calacocon. His family also struggled. His parents worked hard, but no stable source of income. Ang iyang parents walay permanente na trabaho. They live in a small house, and there were times when ang pagkaon di usakto sa ilaha. Ako siya yung kay suon, and every day was a challenge for him. People often ask me, what made Rene different? Or unsa ba yung special kay Rene? Talented ba siya na player? Ang akong tubag, dili. Athletic ba siya na player? Ang akong tubag, dili. Shooter ba siya or dribbler? Ang akong tubag, dili. So, for me, what separated Rene from everyone else is something more powerful than talent. He had a dream na siya'y pangandoy. And more importantly, he was willing to sacrifice everything to achieve it. So, his dream wasn't just for himself. His dream was for his family. Nag-uban ni Rene for 2 unforgettable years. Grade 11 o grade 12 niya. Sa first year na nag-uban niya, i-champion niya panahon pambansa, nakuha niya ang MVP. So it was history. For the first time in history, taga Mindanao, i-champion sa basketball boys secondary sa palarong pambansa. So going into his second year, I kept asking myself, kung saan ako pag-motivate kay Rene na nakuha na niya tanan ang palarong pambansa MVP, pag-champion sa palarong pambansa, siguro tanan probinsyano na basketball player, motong goal nila. Pero na-realize na ako na dili na rin ako siya kailangan i-motivate. He answered that question himself. Every practice, every game, every possession, he played even harder than before. So I asked him, Rene, anong motivated na kayo ka? Na nakuha na namin yung dream. Nakuha na nimo ang pinaka-ginadream sa tanang probinsyano. Ang iyang tubag sa kuha. Coach, yes, nakuha na ako ang dream. Pero gusto na ako maging part po sa akong dream ang akong pamilya. So those words stayed with me. But the conversation I'll never forget happened when June 4, pagatog na ko siya sa Ateneo de Manila. Pagbulag na ako, niingon siya sa kuha, Coach, dili ko muli sa Davao, dili ko muli sa Caloocan for 5 years. Kay gusto na ako, pag-uman ako college, after 5 years, mudato ko, maahon na ako akong pamilya sa kahirapan. So those words come from an 18-year-old from Caloocan, a young man with 6 siblings, a small house, parents without permanent jobs. Yet, His mindset was bigger than his circumstances. He never complained. He never looked for excuses. He simply worked. So today, sa tanan na katulog sa kuha karon, I want everyone here to remember your name. Not just because he won an MVP on the basketball court, but because he was MVP in life. He taught us that talent may open the door, but character, discipline, sacrifice, and purpose will keep that door open. So to every player, every parent, every coach, and every dreamer in Katiin, I leave you one question. What's your excuse? If an 18-year-old kid from Talakobon could dream that big, work that hard, and inspire so many lives, then every one of us is capable of doing more than we think. Dream big, work harder, and never forget where you came from. Daghang salamat.